Hi friends, welcome to Naya videos. Today I will like to share how to generate a free traffic using four methods. So I would like to share my views on traffic generation. It is a free traffic and this is my website eKnowledge3. By using a website you can generate some traffic to your affiliate products. You can create a nice articles regarding the trending articles and trending topics. You can select from Google Trends and post articles in your website to generate more traffic. So before going to the topic, you need to have a minimum blog like website blog. You should have you should maintain one website regarding to promote your affiliate products. So this is my website eKnowledge3 I am maintaining here. So how we can generate traffic using Google Trends? So let us go to the Google Trends. This is Google Trends, exploring the topics here. What are the trending topics available in the industry? You can see here stories trending now. You can see these are the trending stories. You can simply select one of your story here and write an article on that and post it in your website. If you don't have any SEO, all these things, you can simply go to Google Trends and select a good topic and write a engaging article and publish in your website. It will automatically generate tons of traffic to your website and you can promote your affiliate products on that. You can also search for the topic like technology. On technology related stuff, you can simply check what are the trending topics available in the technology. You can it will be displayed in your Google Trends here. You can see China and Colombia, Nigeria. You can simply check for the topics and artificial intelligence 120% in the field of study. You can see here these are the trending topics available in the Google Explorer. This is one kind of traffic generation. You can simply check here. And another thing is Facebook. You can also see you have a Facebook account. You can create a Facebook page. You can increase your fans by using by publishing best articles or videos on your fan page, and also joining into a groups. Suppose if you are promoting a money making affiliate programs, you can simply go to the money making online ideas and some of the top money making online groups are available in the Facebook groups. You can simply join into that groups. These are all the groups: money making online ideas, money making online today, money making in US. All these groups available. You can see money making online US. You can simply join these groups and simply write an article in your website and simply publish that article into this money making groups, and you will get a good amount of traffic freely from Facebook. So another one is, you can see this is a traffic birth. You can simply go to this website. I will share this website link in the comment section. You can see here, this is a one-time payment, and you can simply register for this, and they will give you they will provide you 35,000 free visitors monthly, which is not related to like SEO. Doing without SEO, they will provide you some techniques related to the traffic generation. You can simply buy once and you can follow these rules and techniques. You can go to this page and study what they are offering, and you can see the case studies and testimonials available here. You can see by using this system, they will generate a traffic every month. You can also increase the traffic every month, and you can generate money using AdSense. You can see here, this is one of the passive traffic income source. You can also join this. They are also providing bonuses like master access, all these things available. So simply join this and try to learn some techniques using this traffic rebirth. So you can also have some social media website like Twitter, Instagram. Simply follow the groups and share your articles there. And also you can also stumble upon is one of a social media network. You can simply share your articles there and you can generate tons of traffic. So thanks for watching Naya videos. Please share, subscribe and like Naya video channel.